Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a bootable USB pen drive for the installation of Windows 10 and Windows 11. And then in doing so, your pen drive needs to have at least 8 gigabytes of storage. And then I'll be using Rufus and then Power ISO in the creation of the bootable pen drive. So I'll begin with the Power ISO. So first of all, you need to launch the Power ISO as an administrator. Okay, so after launching the software, you just head to the toolbar of the software and then you click on tools. You look through the options and then you click on USB tools, and in the pop-up list you just click on create bootable USB drive. And then after clicking on the create USB bootable USB pen drive, you get to see this new interface. So what you do here is, in the select source option, you just click on the folder icon at the right side, and then you go to the location of the ISO file, and then you choose the file that you want to use to create the bootable drive. So I'll be using a Windows 10, so you just select the file or the ISO file and then you click on open, and then down below you get to see destination USB drive. For this step, you select the pen drive that you'll be using for the bootable. So I'll be selecting the AI mass storage, which is 8 gigabytes. So I'll just select that one. And then for the settings and then the rest, I'll leave everything to be as it is. And then I'll just head down below and then click on start. And then you get to see a pop-up that will ask if you want all data in the USB drive to be overwritten. You just have to click on OK. But you have to make sure that before creating the bootable USB pen drive, the pen drive should be empty. If you have data on it, you need to back them up somewhere before doing the bootable USB drive. So you just have to click OK, and then you wait for a few minutes for it to complete. It takes quite some few minutes, and it depends on your system, on the machine that you are using. So you just wait for a while for it to prepare the files and then they create the bootable USB pen drive. That's all for the Power ISO. And for the Rufus, it's very simple and then user friendly. And then I've provided a link to get access to the Rufus too. And if you have it already, you just launch the software as an administrator, as we did for the Power ISO. And after doing so, you have to choose the pen drive that you'll be using for the bootable, as we did for the Power ISO. So at the device section, you just click on it and then you choose the drive that you'll be using. I'll be using the iTech 8 gigabytes, and I'll click on that one. And in the boot selection, I will click on select, or before clicking on select, you can click for a pop-up menu to come, and then you choose the disk or ISO image, and then you click on select. As we did for the Power ISO, you go to the destination of the ISO file and then you click on it once more and you click open. After doing so, you might want to click start. You leave everything as it is. You can prefer to label the drive, so I will just label my Windows 10. And then for the file system too, you can choose NFTS. If you have FATS2, you can choose that one, and then you just click on start, and then you'll be asked some few questions here, but you just leave everything as it is and you click OK, and then you wait for the Rufus to create the bootable USB pen drive. And you'll be asked here one more, that do you want to continue with this operation, because all data on the device will be destroyed, that is, will be deleted. You don't have to fear, you just have to click OK, and then you wait for a few minutes for the Rufus to complete the creation of the bootable USB pen drive. That's all for this video, guys. See you next time.